Hi guys, it's Alaceia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the reason why it's so dark on this video because it is nighttime. It is 9:47 and I'm making a YouTube video. I wanted to pre-film one and also because I am bored. So I thought, why not a better thing to do than make a YouTube video? I only have on one light. It's too bright. My eyes are gonna hurt. Just gonna scoot over. You like my background? Like, on my whole room, I decorated in BTS pictures and posters I made myself and little photo cards. It took a lot of ink and paper to make this happen. There's some on my wall, my other wall, my other wall, and my other wall. More walls. I don't know what we're gonna do in this video. I might just babble. Who knows? My lamp is on. That's why there's a light flickering. Yes. Hello, sister. Thank you. I got these cute gamer headphones. Give me being a gamer even though I barely play games. Onikuma is like a dragon theme. Like it changes color. That's a cool bean, man. It looks so cool. I asked my friend, guys, I might want a gaming console. I might, keyword. And so I asked them because they play games. All that joyness that they have. So guys, should I get an Xbox or PS4 or Nintendo Switch? I was like, should I get one or wait for the newest console? And they were like, you should get the Xbox. And then one of my friends, you should get the PS4. I'm like, well, which one is good? I don't know, because I only play the PSV. I don't know. They're not giving me a clear answer. They're debating which one is better. And I'm like, I don't want to get in this discussion. I like watch gameplay and stuff on YouTube or Twitch, and that's the thing. I'll see which one I like. I recently started getting manga because I want to collect manga, and if you do not know what manga is, let me look up a definition. I would ramble if I told you what manga is. Manga, comic genre. Manga is a comics or graphics novel created in Japan by creators in Japanese language conforming to style developed in Japan in late 19th century. They have a long and complex prehistory in earlier Japanese art. The term manga in Japan is used for the word to refer to both comics and cartooning. It's kind of like an anime and a book. I've been loving and reading manga my whole little life because I love anime and manga and all that good jazz. Hence my personality. I recently purchased physical manga myself with my money. I'm broke because of manga and like BTS stuff, but you know that's a different story. I bought my first manga. Okay, so I bought My Hero Academia because my friends know I'm obsessed with that anime. I really want to read the manga series. I bought the first 3 volumes of My Hero Academia. I also bought Love and Focus shoujo manga. I also bought My Little Monster, which is currently on its way to my house because I ordered it off of Amazon. It's gonna take a few days. Love and Focus, I bought that Monday. It came yesterday. No, it came the day before yesterday. Let me just give you some dates. I might upload this later and you don't know what yesterday I'm talking about. I bought a BTS charm, like a tassel charm. Love and Focus, the manga. I bought a mini bookshelf, which is currently on my nightstand. Oh Haru Ride is a shoujo. And I also bought Kinka Bancho Ultimate. My Little Monster. I love this anime. Never finished the anime ever. Like I never finished it. I watched it. Wait, I did finish it, but that was a long time ago, so I can't remember most of it. I watched it in like 4th grade. Yeah, I finished it. I remember. Manga always goes in more detail than an anime does. Let me show you. I guess I'm just rambling. This is a ramble video, but whatever. I would show you the bookshelf, but I don't feel like picking that up. It also has books on it. I might show a picture. Anyway, Love and Focus is the cutest. It's the cutest manga ever. Oh my goodness. You already finished it. I sat for 3 hours. No, not 3 hours. It took less than that actually. When it comes to manga, I'm a fast reader. Michael always had a passion for photography. When she loses someone dear to her, she clings to her art as a relic of that close relationship she once had. Luckily, her childhood friend Kai encourages her to come to his school and join the prestigious photo club. With nothing to lose, Michael grabs her camera and moves to the dorm where Kai and his classmates live. Soon, a fresh take on life along with mysterious new muse begin to come into focus. A sweet and charming romance about a girl finding her way. It's adorable. I bought this manga, Oh Haru Ride. The scent of air after rain and light around us, I felt to your heart. Futaba was shoka. I don't know how to pronounce Japanese, I'm sorry. That all boys were loud and obnoxious until she met Karo Tanka in junior high. But as soon as she realized that she really liked him, he already moved away because of his family issues. Now in high school, Karu has appeared, but is he still the same boy she fell in love with? Oh wait, hold up. This might be good. It's a cute little romance. Okay. And also, I'm currently reading, so it has my little take-home photo card I made. I made it into a bookmark. It's almost as thick as like a license, but not really. Almost to that thickness, but not really. I just wanted a cute little book thing, a bookmark. This was also a game, but now 2 volumes of the manga. That's it. Only 2. I'm reading it now. I'm on the first chapter. It's adorable. Beautiful boys, rebels using their fists to fall in love. Hanako thought she didn't have any family, but one day she starts high school with her twin brother Haruko. Suddenly appears and tricks her into taking his place. But the new school Hanako attends in his stead is beyond unusual. Now she must fight her way to the top of the Shishiku Academy, an all-boys school of delinquents. Like, this school is awful. I think she's making friends. Well, she made a friend. If I read the first page or like the first few pages and it hooks me, I'm gonna keep buying it. Of course, My Hero Academia. This is the first volume. I watched the anime already. I'm waiting for the 4th season to come out in October. It's so cold in here. Cold. I'm a caterpillar. My Hero Academia. I got this cute little cat bookmark. Like, the books have more details already. So the 19th volume just came out. I need to finish reading this one. Got the second that I have yet to read. So I got this one. And I got the 3rd one. I love this anime, it's so good. If you don't watch it, you gotta watch it because it's good. I guess we can keep rambling. I had 2 more videos I have to edit in a video review for Rocket Kitty before this video. I love the case, it's beautiful. And we're gonna keep rambling content. And also, it's summer, so I'm gonna keep filming videos, keep editing, and all that jazz. I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I know, I remember. What are some other YouTubers I watch currently? Oh my goodness. I am Brandon Ferris. He's hilarious. Okay. It's so funny. So we're gonna watch him eating a zebra tarantula. I watched this with my friend. She's so sweet. You're watching this video. Hi, girly pop. My little friend. We're gonna watch Brandon because he's hilarious. We gotta watch him. Let's do a reaction while we're at it. This is gonna be a long video.
There's a tarantula in here. He ain't moving. He's dead. My hand's shaking. Lightly salted. Oh, good. Can't open it, can't do it. Okay, that's God. I haven't heard God speak that loud in a long time. Maybe it's like a Band-Aid. I just open and look and get it over with. Look how much I'm shaking. No, I'm not reaching in there. These protective coverings so he can pounce on a zebra. There ain't zebras here. Welcome to California.
So guys, my camera, the battery is about to die. So that's enough of recording for now. But I hope you guys liked this video. Want to see more, and I'll gladly show you babbling or talking or just having fun in general. And I'll see you in another video. Bye. Bye. Bye.